Hey everybody, how are you doing today? So, I know you guys have been real busy with your families and doing things and just handling your business and everything, but guess what? You still have to eat, you still have to feed the family. So, something that I decided to try because I was at Costco with the wifey, and we keep seeing these chicken pot pies. You know, for years I've been seeing the chicken pot pies there, and I'm like, I'll try it one day. Yeah, try it one day. So, you know what? My wife was like, what do we have for dinner today? Chicken pot pie was right there. So I said, hey, let's try that out, see how it goes. You know, it looks good. Crust, color, everything on it looks so tasty. You know, so I decided, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So we ended up buying it. I decided I'm going to smoke the chicken pot pie on my Traeger. That's right, we're gonna give that a try. I love using my smoker, my grill to try out different things. So we're gonna try it on the Traeger, all right? Let's see how it comes out. Oh yeah, by the way, it costs about, I think about $13, $14 for it. Feeds about 6 people, healthy size servings. So it's a great thing to try out. That's all I can say, you know. So I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna show you how I cook it on my Traeger, and then we're gonna taste it, and then I'll share it with you guys, and you guys can share it with other people, and they can share it with other people. No, I'm just joking. But this is just something to give you a quick meal ideal to feed the family without a whole bunch of ingredients. Only costs you a few bucks, and it feeds up to 6 people. All right, let's cook. That looks good. All right, guys, so it is done. The chicken pot pie, just pulled it off the smoker, and yum, it smells so good, it looks so good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the color, the crust on it. Yes, 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 yes. And like I said, it doesn't cost that much money. It feeds 6 people, and you can cook it in the oven, or you can cook it in your smoker if you want to try something different. But this is definitely a meal you want to try. All right, so let's taste it, see how it tastes. This is my first time ever having the Costco chicken pot pie. All right, here I go. This is delicious. I gotta say, this is better than what I thought it was gonna be. Definitely a thumbs up to Costco for doing the chicken pot pie. A big chicken pot pie at that. So hey, if you don't wanna do a whole bunch of cooking, you got a family you wanna feed, and you have a Costco membership, make sure you get one of these Costco chicken pot pies. It is so worth it, I'm telling you. Trust me, it is worth it. All right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, set the notification so you get notified every single time we put up a new video. And I promise you, I'll be coming back with more food and cooking videos and great ideas to feed the family. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.